Hi guys, today we're going to be working on the second part of perimeter and area. Basically, we're just going to do a lot more practicing with it today. But before we do that, we want to wake our brains up. So let's go ahead and start with our first question to wake our brains up. Do you notice here that we're looking for perimeter and we're looking for how many miles it is? So if you'll notice, you've got 4 miles this way, 2 miles, 2 miles, 4 miles, and 6 miles. So why don't you pause it and see if you can come up with what that perimeter is. Remember, perimeter is all the way around. Okay, if you put those things together, those mileages together, you've got 4 and 2, which is 6, 4 and 2, which is 6, and then you have another 6 right here. So we could actually use multiplication and say 6 times 3 is 18, and we're going to put it in miles. That's your perimeter. All right, we're ready for the next one. This says Lucas needs to show the class his homework. He drew 2 rectangles of equal area. Now that's important. They have the same area. The first rectangle is 2 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So I'm going to put right here 2 by 6, just to remind me. The second rectangle has one side that is 3 centimeters, but Lucas can't read his own handwriting for the other side. I'm going to just put a 3 here. He needs to figure it out in his head while he is explaining to the class. What's the other side? Quick, help him. All right, I'm going to pause while you see if you can figure this one out. And then come on back and we'll talk about it. Okay, so it says that we're looking for area. Now that means that we're not looking on the outside, we're looking on the inside, which is a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be thinking about an array. An area reminds me a little bit of an array. So I'm going to divide this into 2 because I wanted a 2 by 6. So I actually want 6 to divide this now into 6 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so then I count the area on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I know that my area equals 12 centimeters. All right, so now I'm trying to get the other side to be 12 centimeters. So basically I'm asking myself, 3 times what equals 12? And I know that 3 times 4 equals 12. So I want to actually very cleverly try to divide this into 3, and then I'm going to divide this into 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have one row of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, another row of 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I have equal areas on both sides. So my areas both equal 12, and the missing number that I was looking for is actually 4. Okay, I hope you got that. All right, let's look at the next one. Megan bought 2 books of poetry. The first book cost $11.64. The other book cost $15.68. How much more did the second book of poetry cost than the first one? So go ahead, pause the video, try it out, and come on back. All right. The first thing that I am looking for is my favorite words. How much more than. Whenever you have how much more than, that tells me that we're going to be doing some comparing. And whenever we compare, we subtract. So I'm going to put down 1568, and I am going to subtract 1164 from that. 8 take away 4 is 4. This is 0. This is 4. This is 0 there. So actually, it was $4.04 more than the first one. I hope you got that one too. Okay, we are ready now to look at perimeter and area, putting it together, part 2, and basically this is just more practice with doing perimeter and area together. In class, we watched this great vocabulary, so if you want to pause the video and get this information down, that would be great for you to go back and watch it as well. All right, just as a quick reminder, we want to remember that when we're talking about perimeter, we're talking about the outside, and when we're talking about area, we're talking about the inside. So let's keep that in mind. All right, so here we're going to find the area and perimeter of each. In fact, that's what we're going to do this whole time because we're just practicing. I personally like to find the perimeter first. So I'm going to put P equals and then my A equals. All right, so I'm going to do this first one, and I like to start here on the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have a perimeter of 18. For my area, I'm looking inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you had a perimeter of 18 and an area of 8. Now, the next one I want you to try. Try this one. Okay. Did you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14? Did you get a perimeter of 14? And for your area, did you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? So you had an area of 7. If you did, good job. Let's try another one. Okay. How about for our perimeter first? We're going to do our perimeter. And our perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We had a perimeter of 12. And for our area, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a perimeter of 12, area of 5. We're still going, but now here we're working with the grid page that we talked about in class, all right? So if you'll go ahead and pause the video and find the perimeter and the area. All right, let's start with perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we had a perimeter of 18. Now for area, we count inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we had an area of 12. I hope you got that too. All right, try this one. Okay, let's check it. Perimeter. My perimeter's first. 1, 2, that's a hard one right there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we had a perimeter of 24. Our area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our area was 14. Try this one. Okay, I'm going to start with my perimeter. And I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I had a perimeter of 18. And my area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I had an area of 12. I hope you did too. Try this one. Okay, let's start with our perimeter. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we had a perimeter of 14. And for our area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have now come to the challenge question. All right, can you finish dividing this shape up and find the area and perimeter? So why don't you try this on your own and come on back and we'll check it together. Okay, let's see how you did. First thing that I would have done is I would have continued dividing all the parts. I'm not doing a very good job with this with my finger. Divide all of this up by the lines that were started. I would do that first thing. Get all my lines in there. All right, and then I would start with the perimeter. So I definitely want to have my perimeter here. I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you have to go around those corners. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is getting tricky. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. All right, did you get 36 for your perimeter and for your area? Let's see what you got there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, guys, great job today. I'm really proud of you for trying this challenge question. And I know it's a little messy, but I hope you did a great job. And until next time, bye-bye.